Happy Philippine Jockey Club PJC Friday Racing, April 24, 2026. Meron hinandang 8 races at start time po is 5:30 p.m. Regular Friday Racing Day tayo, meron isang set ng winner take all, dalawang set ng pick 6, isang set ng pick 5 at isang set ng pick 4. Good luck mga bayang karirista. Let's G! Race number 1, start ng first pick 6 covers, races 1 to 6. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 5. Let Your Love Show. Jockey is JL Paano. Mabigat lang ang laban noong huling takbo, malaki ang panalo. Second choice niya is entry number 6, Zobreeze. Jockey is JD Calagos, may panalong dehado. Third choice is entry number 3, Little Charmer. Jockey is RD Raquel Jr. pangsama sa mga kursunada. So dito sa race number 1, ito ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 5, Let Your Love Show. Second choice is entry number 6, Zobreeze. And third choice is entry number 3, Little Charmer. Race number 2, start ng winner take all covers races 2 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 442 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 10 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 1, Amor Mi Amor. Jockey is RD Raquel Jr. Angat dito, basta daw ilaban lang ng connections. Second choice is entry number 2, True Blue. Jockey is Ed G. Guerra, baka dito na makapanalo. Third choice is entry number 8, Ninong. Jockey is JM Estorque, may tsamba dito. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 1, Amor Mi Amor. Second choice is entry number 2, True Blue. And third choice is entry number 8, Ninong. Race number 3, start ng second pick, 6 covers races 3 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Merong 10 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 9, Charm Boy. Jockey is JPA Guse. Pag nakapwesto ng maayos, maalindog ang panalo. Second choice is entry number 3, Don Pedro. Jockey is RC Simasio. Magaan timbang, baka makapanalo. Third choice is entry number 4, Static. Jockey is JM Estorque. Ang sabi lang ni Carrera Outsider, pwede. So dito sa race number 3, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 9, Charm Boy. Second choice is entry number 3, Don Pedro. And third choice is entry number 4, Static. Race number 4, start ng pick 5 covers races 4 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system race class 517 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 7 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 2, Fly with the Wind. Jockey is JB Guerra. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider, inaabangan ko to. Second choice is entry number 5, Galactus. Jockey is CA Reyes. Ito na ang pagkakataon. Third choice is entry number 1, Marquis Angel. Jockey is JB Hernandez. Baka makachamba. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 2, Fly with the Wind. Second choice is entry number 5, Galactus. And third choice niya is entry number 1, Marquis Angel. Race number 5, start ng pick 4 covers races 5 to 8. Philracom rating based handicap system, race class 517 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 8, Instant Message. Jockey is CP Henson. Maganda ang pwesto. Second choice is entry number 5, Seychelles. Jockey is CL Advincula. Paumento ang takbo. Third choice is entry number 3, Queen Margot. Jockey is JB Guerra. Baka makadehadong panalo. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 8, Instant Message. Second choice naman is entry number 5, Seychelles. And third choice niya is entry number 3, Queen Margot. Race number 6, last extra double at daily double plus 1, covers races 6 to 8. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 5, 17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 7, Popoy and Basha. Jockey is CS Pare Jr. Pinapatok sa Dividendazo. Second choice is entry number 8, Shanghai Chic. Jockey is JA Pastoral, paumentong kabayo. Third choice is entry number 2, Bright Mind. Jockey is CB Diala. Pwedeng umubos sa mga wise. So dito sa race number 6, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice is entry number 7, Popoy and Basha. Second choice is entry number 8, Shanghai Chic. And third choice is entry number 2, Bright Mind. Race number 7, penultimate race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 5, 17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ulit ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 1, French Leather. Jockey is RC Tabor. Ito na ang pagkakataon. Second choice is entry number 4, Gentle Giant. Jockey is MD De Jesus. Paglaban, walang talo. Third choice is entry number 6, Sunshine June. Jockey is CP Henson. Paumento ang huling tatlong takbo. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 1, French Leather. Second choice is entry number 4, Gentle Giant. And third choice niya is entry number 6, Sunshine June. Race number 8, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,200 meters. Meron ditong 11 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 8, Golden Aria. Jockey is RD Raquel Jr., lamang sa grupo. Second choice is entry number 5, Ali Yana. Jockey is GL Ciego Jr., baka maganda kondisyon, makabanderang tapos. Third choice is entry number 6, Moderna. Jockey is CP Henson. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider, eto na ang pagkakataon. So dito sa race number 8, ang mga kursunada na pupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 8, Golden Aria. Second choice is entry number 5, Aliana. And third choice is entry number 6, Moderna.